Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been generating quite a buzz, the 2025 Hyundai Matiz. Now, some of you might be scratching your heads, thinking, wait, wasn't the Matiz a model from Daewoo and later Chevrolet? You're absolutely right. The Matiz, a compact city car, was originally introduced by Daewoo in the late 1990s and subsequently rebranded under Chevrolet in various markets. However, recent industry whispers suggest that Hyundai might be reviving this iconic nameplate for 2025. While Hyundai has not officially confirmed the reintroduction of the Matiz, the automotive grapevine is rife with speculation. Given Hyundai's recent innovations and market strategies, it's plausible that they might be considering a new entry in the compact car segment, possibly under the Matiz moniker. Hyundai has been making significant strides in the electric vehicle market. The 2025 Ioniq 5N, for instance, is a testament to their commitment to high-performance EVs. Boasting over 600 horsepower and a suite of track-ready features, it's the most powerful Hyundai to date. Given this trajectory, it's conceivable that a revived Matiz could be an electric compact car, aligning with global trends towards urban-friendly, zero-emission vehicles. Such a move would not only pay homage to the original Matiz's legacy as a city car but also position Hyundai competitively in the burgeoning compact EV market. In terms of design, Hyundai has been pushing the envelope with bold and unconventional aesthetics. The 2025 Kona, for example, elevates the small SUV segment with its stunning design and optional features like track AWD and a turbocharged engine. If Hyundai were to apply a similar design philosophy to a new Matiz, we could anticipate a vehicle that's both stylish and functional, catering to modern urban dwellers. Technologically, Hyundai's recent models have been equipped with advanced features aimed at enhancing user experience. The 2025 Tucson, for instance, received an extensive refresh, including a redesigned dashboard with physical knobs and switches for improved usability, a standard 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and enhanced safety features. A new Matiz could potentially incorporate similar technological advancements, offering a blend of convenience, connectivity, and safety features that appeal to today's tech-savvy consumers. It's also worth noting that Hyundai has been expanding its lineup to cater to diverse market segments. The introduction of models like the Santa Cruz, a sport adventure vehicle that combines the comfort of an SUV with the utility of a truck bed, showcases Hyundai's innovative approach to vehicle design. This adaptability suggests that Hyundai is keen on exploring new niches, and a modern compact car like the Matiz could be a strategic addition to their portfolio. In conclusion, while there's no official word yet on the 2025 Hyundai Matiz, the possibility is certainly intriguing. Hyundai's recent developments in design, technology, and electric mobility provide a solid foundation for a potential revival of this beloved compact car. As always, we'll keep our ears to the ground and update you with any official announcements.